In the quiet corners of human thought, where the realms of science and metaphysics intertwine, lies a concept that has intrigued philosophers, scientists, and spiritual seekers alike: the notion of the quantum soul. This idea, while seemingly paradoxical, invites us to explore the boundaries of our understanding of consciousness, existence, and the very fabric of reality itself. The quantum soul is not merely a metaphor, but a profound inquiry into what it means to be alive, aware, and connected to the universe. At the heart of this exploration is quantum physics, a field that has revolutionized our understanding of the material world. Unlike classical physics, which operates on the principles of determinism and predictability, quantum physics reveals a universe that is inherently probabilistic and interconnected. Particles can exist in multiple states at once, a phenomenon known as superposition, and they can instantaneously affect one another across vast distances, a concept referred to as entanglement. These principles challenge our conventional notions of separateness and individuality, suggesting that at a fundamental level, everything is interconnected. As we delve into the implications of quantum physics, we encounter questions that stretch beyond the empirical and into the metaphysical. What does it mean for consciousness if the very particles that make up our being are entangled with the cosmos? Could it be that our thoughts, emotions, and experiences are not isolated phenomena, but rather expressions of a deeper, universal consciousness? The quantum soul posits that our individual identities are not merely products of our biology or environment, but are intricately woven into the fabric of the universe itself. This perspective resonates with many spiritual traditions that emphasize the interconnectedness of all life. Eastern philosophies, such as Buddhism and Hinduism, speak of an underlying unity that transcends individual existence. They propose that the self is an illusion, a temporary manifestation of a greater whole. In this light, the quantum soul can be seen as a bridge between ancient wisdom and modern science, suggesting that our understanding of consciousness is evolving to encompass a more holistic view of existence. However, the quantum soul is not without its critics. Skeptics argue that the application of quantum principles to consciousness is a misinterpretation of scientific concepts. They caution against conflating the intricacies of quantum mechanics with the complexities of human experience. After all, consciousness remains one of the most profound mysteries in science. Despite advances in neuroscience and psychology, we have yet to uncover the mechanisms that give rise to subjective experience. The leap from quantum mechanics to the nature of the soul is fraught with philosophical and scientific challenges. Yet, it is precisely this tension between science and metaphysics that fuels the dialogue surrounding the quantum soul. The quest for understanding is inherently human, driven by a desire to find meaning in our existence. As we grapple with the nature of consciousness, we find ourselves at the crossroads of knowledge and belief, where empirical evidence meets existential inquiry. The quantum soul invites us to contemplate the possibility that our consciousness is not merely a byproduct of neural processes, but a fundamental aspect of the universe itself. Consider the implications of such a perspective. If consciousness is indeed a manifestation of the quantum realm, it suggests that our thoughts and intentions have a profound impact on the world around us. This idea aligns with the principles of quantum theory, where the observer plays a crucial role in shaping reality. The act of observation collapses the wave function, determining the state of a particle. In this sense, our awareness could be seen as a creative force, influencing the very fabric of existence. This notion resonates with the growing interest in consciousness studies, where researchers are exploring the relationship between mind and matter. Theories such as panpsychism propose that consciousness is a fundamental property of all matter, suggesting that even inanimate objects possess some form of awareness. If we embrace the idea of the quantum soul, we may find ourselves rethinking our relationship with the world, recognizing that we are not separate entities, but integral parts of a vast, interconnected web of life. Furthermore, the quantum soul challenges our understanding of life and death. If consciousness transcends the physical realm, what does it mean for our existence beyond the confines of the body? Many spiritual traditions speak of an eternal soul that continues to exist after death. a belief that is echoed in the principles of quantum entanglement, where information is never truly lost. This perspective invites us to reconsider the nature of reality, suggesting that our essence may persist in ways we cannot yet comprehend. In contemplating the quantum soul, we also confront the ethical implications of our interconnectedness. If our thoughts and actions resonate throughout the universe, we bear a responsibility to cultivate awareness and compassion in our interactions with others. The ripple effect of our consciousness becomes a powerful motivator for positive change, urging us to consider the impact of our choices on the collective whole. This ethical dimension aligns with the principles of many spiritual traditions, which emphasize the importance of mindfulness and interconnectedness in fostering a harmonious existence. As we navigate the complexities of the quantum soul, we find ourselves at the intersection of science, philosophy, and spirituality. This convergence invites us to embrace a more expansive understanding of reality, one that honors both empirical inquiry and the mysteries of existence. The quantum soul serves as a reminder that our search for meaning is an ongoing journey, one that transcends the boundaries of knowledge and belief. In our pursuit of understanding, we must remain open to the possibilities that lie beyond the known. The quantum soul challenges us to question our assumptions about reality, inviting us to explore the depths of consciousness and the nature of existence. As we unravel the mysteries of the universe, we may discover that the answers we seek are not found in isolation, but in the intricate dance of interconnectedness that defines our reality. Ultimately, the quantum soul embodies the essence of human inquiry, a quest for connection, understanding, and meaning in a universe that is both wondrous and enigmatic. It invites us to embrace the unknown, to ponder the mysteries of existence, and to recognize that we are not mere observers of reality, but active participants in the unfolding story of life. As we continue to explore the boundaries between science and metaphysics, we may find that the journey itself is as significant as the destination, guiding us toward a deeper appreciation of the profound interconnectedness that binds us all. In this light, the quantum soul becomes a symbol of hope and possibility, urging us to embrace the unknown with curiosity and wonder. It challenges us to seek out the threads that connect us to one another and to the universe, reminding us that our existence is not a solitary journey, but a shared experience woven into the tapestry of life. As we navigate the complexities of our reality, may we carry the spirit of the quantum soul within us, fostering a sense of unity and compassion that transcends the boundaries of science and metaphysics alike. In conclusion, the exploration of the quantum soul invites us to reflect on the nature of consciousness, existence, and our place in the universe. It encourages us to embrace the mysteries of life and to recognize the profound interconnectedness that defines our reality. As we stand at the crossroads of science and metaphysics, may we continue to seek understanding and meaning, guided by the belief that our consciousness is a vital part of the cosmic dance that unfolds around us. In this journey, we may discover not only the essence of our being, but also the boundless potential that lies within each of us to shape our reality and contribute to the greater whole.